So good sleep is not just about quantity of sleep you get, but also about the quality of the sleep. One of the best ways to improve sleep quality is to establish healthy sleep habits that work in harmony with your body natural circadian rhythms. The first step is to establish a regular sleep routine that includes a consistent bedtime and wake up time, even on weekends. This helps regulate your body's internal clock, making it easier to fall asleep at night and wake up feeling refreshed in the morning. To wind down before bed, try to establish a relaxing pre-sleep routine that helps signals to your body that it's time to sleep. This could include taking a warm bath, reading a book, practicing some yoga, meditation. Later I'll show you a Qigong exercise we can do to help calm the mind and bring this energy inside. That's where it needs to go when we go to bed. Qigong. Acupressure points. We'll focus a lot on acupressure points. Then you want to avoid screen time and other sources of blue light before bed, as this can suppress the production of the sleep hormone, melatonin, and disrupt your body's natural sleep cycles. As mentioned in previous lectures, besides establishing a regular sleep routine, it's important to create this a sleep-conducive environment by keeping your bedroom cool, quiet, and dark, blackout curtains, earplugs, another white noise machine, comfortable bedding, and pillows. Another important aspect of establishing healthy sleep habits is to avoid substances that can disrupt your sleep, such as caffeine, nicotine, and alcohol. Caffeine is a stimulant found in coffee, tea, and other beverages can interfere with the quality of your sleep, make it hard to fall asleep at night. Nicotine. It's a stimulant found in tobacco products that can disrupt sleep and cause insomnia. While alcohol can make you feel drowsy initially, it can also disrupt your sleep cycle and cause you to wake up frequently throughout the night.